Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Swag at RC. So today we are going to talk about agriculture types of farmings. So first start with what is agriculture. It is an important point. So let's start. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil and raising crops and rearing animal stocks. It fulfills man's primary needs of food and clothing. It is the oldest settled primary activity of man. As time progressed, man developed better tools and techniques for producing crops. He produced surplus for trade and diversified crop production. Apart from food crops, he started growing commercial crops suited to his natural environment. He started rearing animals in farms to supplement his food and clothing requirement. In the present day world, agriculture holds an important position. It provides occupation to 2 by 3rd of the world population directly or indirectly. Modern day agriculture is an advanced activity, involves use of sophisticated implements and techniques to give varied production. It includes crop cultivation, cattle rearing, dairy farming, and horticulture. It provides raw materials for many industries like textiles, sugar, food processing, etc. Now let's talk about factors influencing agriculture. Climate. The main factors on which growth of plants depend are temperature and rainfall. Hence, climate largely influences the type and quality of crops of an area. That is why rice is the principal crop and staple food of hot and humid region. While on the other hand, wheat is mainly a temperate crop. Mediterranean lands are orchards of the world on account of their climate that supports growth of citrus fruits. Now next is relief of land. Relief of the land also determines the type of crops. Plains and lowlands with fertile soils are most suited for cultivation of crops. Use of agricultural machines are easier on the plains. The higher density of population provides cheap labor as well as market for the crops. Hilly areas support limited agriculture due to thin and rocky soil. Soil erosion, difficulty of using machines and less population, but certain crops like fruits, examples, apples, sea buckthorn and apricots grow better in the mountainous areas. Tea and coffee are grown on well drained hill slopes. Now next one is soils. Fertility of soil is of utmost importance for growing crops. The type of soil also determines the variety of crops. That is why cotton grows in the black soil of Maharashtra, while rice and wheat grow in the alluvial soil of the Satluj Ganga Brahmaputra plain. The Chernozem soil of the prairies helps in the growth of wheat. Now the next fourth is availability of water. Water is essential for plant growth. The availability of water determines the type of crop as well as the type of farming. It may be available naturally or can be provided by irrigation. River valleys are therefore main agricultural areas. Now the next one is cultural and economic factors. Factors influencing cultivation of crops are market means of transport, availability of labor, availability of capital, and loans for farmers. Government support system and land policy also affect agriculture. Scientific and technological development like use of better seeds, irrigation facilities, fertilizers and farm machineries greatly influence agriculture. Farming that will preserve our precious land resources as well as provide us with sufficient food. So please conserve agriculture. I hope you liked this video. So please comment, like, subscribe and share my video to everyone.